Hello, all of you. This is Anirudh from SwitchOn. I am one of the founders here. We at SwitchOn automate quality inspection for the manufacturing industry. We help our customers reach zero defects at a fraction of the cost that they currently spend. We've been doing this for a bit now. We've been working with customers all across the globe. And what we started with was just trying to inspect different kinds of defects in manufacturing. And we slowly realized that this is only a small portion of the value that we are able to add for the customers. So imagine this, you have a manufacturing and you're spending a lot of bandwidth on defects and still you're getting customer complaints. This is a very difficult situation for you as the head of the plant and even at a company level. So what we at SwitchOn firstly do is we use AI and computer vision inside of the manufacturing plants to help automate the quality inspection of the plant. As soon as we started doing this, we started seeing a lot of real-time analytics coming into our systems. This is data that is extremely valuable to figure out the number of defects that are happening, where those defects are, and how and what kind of machines do these defects lead to. For example, we saw in a lot of our bottling customers that they have a lot of their defects in the printing area. And so we started giving a lot of those insights to our customers, telling that this is a printing defect and they should go and look at some of the printers that are a part of the process. As soon as we started doing this, we had this realization that the classification of the defects and eventually helping our customers root cause this defect is of immense value to our customers. You can now imagine that going from a system that just gives you a defect in a place in a product, a classification enables you to tell what part of the process actually has the problem. So this is the kind of value that we can add to the complete elimination of the defects, and would be very happy to help and support you in getting to a future of zero defects at a fraction of the cost.